Hi, Kathy, Crafty Chica here. I'm gonna let you in on how I make these focus stones. But first, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video because you're gonna love this project. Now, I am working on my new novel, and every time it comes to a place where my character needs to make a decision or I just need to be more creative with it, I have to stop and think, and I make these little stones so that I can focus. Rubbing it just helps me focus. They're also known as worry stones, but I don't want to use the word worry in anything that I do or make. So we're going to call them focus stones. Update, now I'm calling them meditation love stones because I found a Sacred Heart cookie cutter that worked so perfect for this. You can use air dry clay or you can use fired ceramic clay, which is what I'm using here. This is low fire clay. You want to roll it out thick. This is 1/2 inch thick because once the water evaporates out of it, it will shrink, and you want a nice chunky heart to rub your thumb over. So I use the cookie cutter. Now I'm going to clean up all of the edges. You can also put a layer of plastic wrap on top of the clay before you push in your cookie cutter, and it will come out nice and smooth. I forgot that step when I made this, but they still turned out great. After you clean it up, it's time to press your thumbprint into it. So you want to gently press your thumb and just kind of roll it around to make an indentation, smooth it out, and set it aside to dry. Now, because these are for ceramics, I was able to use some ceramic glazes. If you're using air dry clay, let these dry, bone dry completely before you use craft paint on them. These are dry. Now I'm adding Mako Stroke and Coat Wonder Glaze, which means I can add this glaze and then fire it in the kiln. And I just added some little accent designs in contrasting colors to give them a little pop. So I went through and did this on all of them. I love making these, and I have been giving them out to random people just when I have interesting conversations, or sometimes I'll pop it in with a gift order from my website. Here they are going in the kiln along with my ceramic roses. I also have a video on that. They fired at cone 04 on medium, and this is what they look like. They came out so beautiful and shiny, but I had to level it up. This batch, I added glitter with UV resin, and I added a little flat back crystal on the top as well. Thank you so much for watching. Now that you know how to make your own focus stones, I'm going to get back to work on my novel. Leave me a comment if you like this project or if you have any other ideas for it. Or you know what? Tell me what you're focusing on where you would use a focus stone. Thank you for watching, and check out craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas.